Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 20th of September 2019. So before going to the analysis, guys, I want to share some reviews of the customer with you. I have posted them on 200 Forex Pips Facebook page. If you find 200 Forex Pips on Facebook, then you will be able to come to my page. Okay guys, so the signal subscriber that joined today was Khalid Hamdan, and he said, "Dear my friend, thank you very much for your very beautiful signals. Today huge profits, thank you." And he has a question about the service. Moreover guys, I have published about the person that I am talking about, that he is trading with my signals, and that was a Skype conversation, that how is trading today. Very good sir, made 800 so far. So guys, I have published on my Facebook page about his live account details. You can see that this is the live 3 platform, and you can see $556 were made, and totally about $800 are made, and 205 is the withdrawal on that account, and that is shared on Facebook page, and that's live. You can see, and you can come to my Facebook page and you will be able to see. So for example, I have given the sell position today on Great Britain Pound USD. He has taken the sell position $355, Great Britain Pound JPY sell position $156, Euro USD he closed quite early, but $66 on that trade. Okay guys, now let's move ahead towards the today's analysis, so that we can talk about the signals that we are talking about, because these reviews are related to the signals for the today's report. And the person that Venchef is working with me from a month, is working for me from a very long time. Okay guys, first of all, let's talk about the Euro USD. A bearish trend was supplied to the subscribers in the morning from 110486, and 110082 is the target price. So that's why I was saying he closed the trade so early, because we have a big drop on Euro USD today. It clears the entry from here. Look, this candle was closed below the entry, then it was a chance to enter into the trade. And then look, Euro USD went extremely down, and it hit the target price with no problems. So congratulations to all of the traders, because most of the traders do not send me the screenshots. And really this thing hurts me, because when they make profits, they do not share it with me, because if you share it with me, then I will live your screenshots on Facebook page, and people will also be able to find that this is a good service. But when you do not share, then it means that I will not able to promote you on the Facebook page. So overall guys, this is the natural nature of the person, that normally they hide their profits from the service provider, so that no one comes to know, because this is the monthly signal service, and they make much more than this, and they easily recover the $80 payment that I have charged from my signals report. Okay guys, so Euro USD went down as predicted, so it was a very good signal from our side, and people have already collected this one. Okay, now let's talk about New Zealand USD. Okay, the second signal that hit consecutively is New Zealand USD, with a bearish expectation from 062866, and 062335 is the target price. And guys, you can see New Zealand USD is way down, and I congratulate all those traders who have taken the sell positions on this pair. They must have ended their day with good profits. Okay, now let's talk about the massive trading. The third consecutive signal that hit today was Great Britain Pound USD. Great Britain Pound USD was going up from so many days, but today I turned bearish on that pair, and I have given the bearish entry from 125425, and 125540 was the target price. And guys, you can see right from the entry the market started to go down. Even the scalper has pointed the sell arrow in the form of red arrow, and then the market went down. It almost went near to the target price. So congratulations to the traders who have taken the sell positions on this pair. Now let's talk about another drop that we have seen today on Great Britain Pound JPY, and that was a very easy signal from my side. And you know that Great Britain Pound JPY is a volatile pair. So Great Britain Pound JPY with a bearish expectation from 135306 and 134438 is the target price. And guys, you can see first of all it breaks the entry right from here, and then it hit the target price with no problem. So guys, these signals are based on full day trading. You should give some time for the trade. Do not get confused with a couple of bullish candles within a bearish trend. So look, for example, it was down, then it appeared one bullish candle, then again it went down and it had the target price. So I do not say that you always test up to the target price, but it is important that if you see that the market is getting the drop, then you should go into let it go into our way. So congratulations to the traders who have taken, must have made the money on Great Britain Pound JPY. Okay, next we are going to talk about USD Canadian dollar. Okay guys, USD Canadian dollar with a bullish signal from 132.730 and 133.066 was the target price. However, the target price is not met, but it just went near to the target price and it went up to 133.018. So overall, I was bullish on USD Canadian dollar, and if you have caught this bullish trend that already made in the morning, then you must have ended up with a profit on USD Canadian dollar too. Now let's talk about USD JPY. Okay guys, this is not a very good satisfied signal of the day. Overall, I was bullish on this pair, but 107.926 was the bullish entry. It stayed bullish for some time. After that, it has suddenly dropped. So I have talked about this thing, that when to exit. Whenever guys you look that the momentum is quite slow, for example, look at this one, the momentum was quite slow, so that is why I have an early exit on this pair, because the market was going nowhere. So that have a reason. So for example, look, the momentum was fast here, the market was going down, so there was a chance that market can go further down, but later on the market gets slow. So today the market was slow, that's why I exit. I'm not sure that some traders might have a loss on USD JPY. Otherwise, if you have done few scalping for few hours, then few hours the market stayed above our entry and it was a profitable time on that pair. At last, I'm going to talk about the USD CHF, which has just dropped, but overall my trend was bullish and we have done scalping on this one. 0.99195 was the bullish entry, and the market stayed up for few hours and it went up to 0.99360, and then with a single candle it is again dropped. So guys, this is the part of Forex that some signals also revert from that level, but we cannot control them. But overall, if we talk about the general analysis, then we have done extremely well throughout this week, and hopefully you people also have made good profits. Those persons who share the screenshots with me, I have uploaded them on my Facebook page, and you just search 200 Forex Pips on Facebook page, and you will be able to come up with the screenshots with proofs. Moreover, this is for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel. Let me explain. You can see about the trading system. You can see there are two red boundaries indicators on indicator on the chart. Whenever you see that the market is into the top red boundary and it is getting the rejection, then you can sell the pair. And whenever you see that the market is again into the top red boundary and getting the rejection, then you can sell the pair. But whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary and it's getting the bullish pressure, then you can buy the pair. And look, the scalper has also pointed you with a buy signal in the form of white arrow, and then market moved on, and scalper has also pointed you with a sell arrow, and then market has went down. And guys, this is about the usage of the trading system. So guys, this is all about my today's analysis. So if you want to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, or guys, if you want to learn that how I prepare the signals, that how I turn bearish on Euro USD, what is the criteria for this one, this is basically based on a trick. So if you want to learn this trick, I teach this trick for 3 days on Skype, and you will be able to prepare signals with me for 3 days. And we will prepare signals together, and I teach this trick for $700. So guys, if you are interested in any of the service, then you need to contact me on info@200forexpips.com. Please do like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great weekend ahead. Bye.